Right, this is Jake. He's going to talk you through some of his magnet trains that he's had for Christmas and birthday. I think the first one he's going to talk you through is his new white. Is that underground or?
Yeah, German.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. But these are my lights. So, Baba, 56. I take it off. So, Baba. And the weapons, the train, the lights.
Does it come apart?
Maybe check. And then what? Okay.
Right, now let's have it over here and let's do it to show him on the camera. Pass it over. Alright, this is when we say magnetic train, what we mean is inside the cab, you listen, is two magnets. So he likes to be able to reverse it up and they connect together and he can drive. They don't run very well on the carpet and they're not very good at going around corners. But what about your blue one, Jake? What engine's that?
This is an awesome new engine called nitrogen.
What's the name of that engine?
A4.
It's a A4.
Perfect.
And what's the name of the engine?
My bad. I've seen Papa says it there. As such a.
Now Jake got that engine. Where did you go when you got that engine?
What?
Where did you get that engine from?
Wow.
Where did you go with Mum?
York.
You went to the York
I went to him.
Railway Museum and you saw the A4s. Did it have a...
Did
it have a Coronation Scott there?
Yes.
You got that magnet train. Is that at home?
Yeah.
So what's that other train, the green one?
That is awesome. That is for 17 got fire bombing.
What's that train?
What?
What is it?
Fire bombing.
That's the Flying Scotsman he's got there. He hasn't got the right tender on that. He left that at home. But yeah, pass it over. Let's show him the magnets. Now this again is because it's got the magnets on. Jake likes to join them together, and he's quite resourceful because sometimes the magnets don't work. But he's got some of this connect stuff, and he uses the connect magnets to ease the couplings.
So,
right, what's the red engine you got there, Jake?
This is a chest, a singer butterfly, so black and white wheels, shiny wheels, of course, both blades, a cool whistle, drum, and...
So that's James off of the Thomas the Tank. Well, that's the end of the part one of his train videos. He's got lots more to show you, and he's got a lot of Tomica trains he's going to do on his next video. You can say bye, Jake?
Goodbye.